Hello everyone, my name is Tian Vong and today I'd like to make a presentation about mechanical engineering. So what is a mechanical engineer? Mechanical engineer is a subject that breadth for the need to design and manufacture everything from small individual parts and devices to large systems. The role of mechanical engineer is to take a product from an idea to a marketplace. In order to accomplish this, a broad range of skills are needed. Pretty much mechanical engineers deal with anything that moves, including the human body and a very complex machine. Mechanical engineers play a central role in industries as automotive, aerospace, biotechnology, computer, and electronic. The breadth of mechanical engineering disciplines allows students to variety of career options beyond some industries. Regardless of particular path they envision to develop after they graduate, the education will have to provide them with creative thinking that allows them to design a product or a system. The tool to achieve their design, the ability to always overcome all constant, and the teamwork needed to design, market, and produce a system. The reason why I want to do mechanical engineering is because I love designing and creativity. As building computers is my hobby, mechanical engineering deals a lot about computers, and all I want to do is be part of that. Doing this presentation will help you understand more about mechanical engineering and the outside of mechanical engineering. In order to be prepared for mechanical engineer, you must understand that there are 36 different types of subject in mechanical engineering. And you must choose one to understand one of them, or to be part of it. Such as transport systems, mechanical design, and biomechanical engineer. Each part serve its own purpose and will totally be different type of information. In order to prepare for a bachelor degree of mechanical engineer, student needs to be ready that mechanical engineer on bachelor will pretty much learn about basic information about materials, solid fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, heat transfer control, and instruments that you'll be using, designs, and manufacturing to understand, to pretty much cover the basic degree of mechanical engineering. Most master degree in mechanical engineering begin with a foundation course. An advanced mathematics, and science, such as static physics, and continually with specialized course. Engineering materials, system design, manufacturing engineering, and management will be part of that, and will be mostly covered in that. Student will need to be face 2 years. Will be using 2 years as part of online or offline. The master's degree on mechanical engineering will mostly be covered definition of product, design, and develop, simulation of modeling, and experimentation to understand principle of phase and mods of models. Understanding of the patient and how to apply to patient law and how to apply it to engineering and micromanagement of project. To obtain a PhD with a higher level will require you to take some course of knowledge that will pretty much cover dynamics, hydraulic, pneumatic, mechanical design, and drafting using CAD and CAMS. Students who are working towards mechanical engineering degree will need to know significant knowledge of mathematics as well as physics and many mathematical formulas we require in mechanical engineering. It is broken up into multiple topics, but the key topics are research skills. The key topics that you will get once you get your PhD are research skills, advanced mathematics skills, communication skills, and up-to-date skills. Excuse me. Mechanical engineer will be hardest for many people who takes it easy, who makes it easier to keep them in mind. The things that are to keep them in mind are to help them are creativity, listening skills, math skills, and mechanical skills. Pretty much basic skills. Mechanical engineer will be part of experience with prototypes, software solid modeling, and knowledge of a basic mechanic. Presentation skills, creative thinking. It is extremely critical to do all that. And they will teach you during your course. The annual salary of mechanical engineer, median annual mechanical engineer is $65,270 as of September of 30, 2016. With the range usually between $60,000 and $71,000. However, it can vary depends on factors. A study conducted in May of 2015 shows that the annual pay of a typical mechanical engineer in the United States are $83,559. So the 50% of the people who perform the job of mechanical engineer are expected to make less than $83,559. The conditions of work are literally everywhere as mechanical engineer. Mechanical engineer may work in office, workshop, factories, or on building sites. They generally work as regular business hours and often in a team environment with professionals from a wide variety of backgrounds, depending on the specific project. For example, mechanical engineer designing the valve used in mechanical hearts might consult closely with biomedical engineers, doctors, surgeons, while one designed a gold processing plant which would work with mining engineer and metallurgists. Travel to meet with client and view work site may also be required. Mechanical engineers mostly start their work at an office environment. This is where they meet other professionals such as company executive, marketing, sales, and other type of engineers to gather information for a specific project. This is where they also use mostly computer-aided drafting and design applications to design a device. And after they have finished drawing and designing the device, this is where they establish a prototype. Mechanical engineer spent time in the laboratory to create a test prototype. A test laboratory allowed them to use machinery and equipment to ensure the device is working properly, to calibrate correctly. If changes are required, they would redesign the specification and retest their prototype in the laboratory until functioning properly. After the prototype is complete, it comes accordingly to the manufacturing plant. Mechanical engineering team will work on the manufacturing floor to ensure products of device is done properly. They will be able to provide support using a production team or instruction team to ensure that the device is assembled properly. During the field, mechanical engineer will also be working on the field to ensure the device is installed and function properly. And once the device is installed, they may run tests, inspect device, observe device while it's operating through their work in the field. They may find ways to improve the device function. Conclusion. Mechanical engineers mostly are everywhere. They're part of engines, planes, cars, literally everything. And I covered the work area of what mechanical engineer will do and how much they pay. It is a great job.